Thanks, Caroline, and it's so glad to have everyone here. Once again, I think everyone has a very fruitful and wonderful 2017. So we are starting beginning our 2018. So I believe this is the webinar. So I'm very honored to have this opportunity to talk about some mold fitting trends and, of course, what innovations have been done here in Moldex. So very soon, I think we will have a newer version of software. The R16 will be released, and you will learn more about those details. We have some also, once again, exciting new features this year. But before that official announcement has been released right now in this seminar, we can have some sneak peek on something we think it's important because, of course, we talk about the trends for both. One is from our users. You are in the plastic industry. So of course, the change of this industry, what are the key issues now? What are people talking about? What is the main concern? Of course, this is all the drivers that pushes us to transform our software into a more usable tool for you. So the thing that we're trying to do here is combine the wishes and the needs of our users into the software. So hopefully we will roll out this R16 so you can be satisfied about these new functions. So today with me, I have another senior engineer, Edward, here. So later on, he will also demonstrate a little bit on how our new interface studio will look like, because that is something very important for us in understand more about what should change our customers' workflow so they can use Moldex much better by using the studio. So later on, we'll take a look at that. So of course, what happens in 2017? So probably a lot of changes have been has occurred